in. You can stretch it as long as you want. I'm just going to leave it like that. Now you've got your hot air exhaust here coming out the ducted hose, and then now you've got your cold air coming out from this ducted hose as well. I'm just putting this right in my face. I can feel the cold air coming out right now. It's pretty cool. I mean, as in it's cold. I can feel the cold air blowing my face right now, which is good. And a bit of warm air coming out at the back here now.